This video will walk you through creating your cover letter. If you've already created your cover letter, you'll find it in your Google Drive to make sure that you've done everything correctly. If you have not, you will make a copy. It's very important that you rename it so you can find it easily. This button here will allow you to move it into whatever folder you need it to go into. We'll do our month, the day, comma, the year. You want to delete where it says date here. So today is February. It is March 1st, 2020. I said first and did second. Since I'm not sending it to anybody in particular, I'm going to delete this portion, which should move everything up. And I'm going to, should I skip a line? I'm going to address it to the hiring manager. Over here on the right-hand side, I'm going to actually go back to my general resume, and I'm just going to copy and paste. That way I don't have to type everything again. Okay. Yep. Now I am going to write a letter. And we always make sure that we have paragraphs, make sure that we have proper punctuation and capitalization. I'm just going to start it off with, it is with great pleasure that I am seeking employment with your company. I believe with my education and professional experience, I possess many skills that would benefit your organization. I'm going to skip a line in between my paragraphs because I'm not indenting, but I want them to see that there are different paragraphs. In my time working with Northeast Independent School District, I have been in charge of children in and out of the classroom setting. I have sponsored clubs that have allowed me to organize large and small events. I am skilled in managing classroom as well as working with a diverse team. My last paragraph, you want to be sure to thank them for their time and let them know that you're interested in a position again. I would greatly appreciate the opportunity to speak with you about a position. I look forward to speaking with you in the, I'm going to say hearing because I already said speak, to hearing from you in the near future. Sincerely, we're going to take out and sign your letter here. And I'm going to type my full name. Heather Wyndham. All right. So as you can tell, the first paragraph is introducing yourself to them, telling them that you want to, or you're interested in seeking employment with their company, why you believe that you would be good for their organization. Your second paragraph goes into actually talking about these things, your education and professional experience. And then you, again, thank them and close out your letter.